In June of 2018, California passed some of the strictest privacy regulations in the US. And when it goes into effect in 2020, the California Consumer Privacy Act is going to give California consumers the same kinds of rights and protections that EU citizens got with the GDPR. California already has some of the strictest breach notification requirements, so if your data is exposed, you should already know about it. But the Privacy Act gives you right to action, so if it happens, you have the right to sue for civil damages. Consumers get a lot more control over their data too. You have the right to ask a business to show you all of the data that they collected about you, and if you want them to, they have to delete it. This is called the right to be forgotten. You can also forbid them from selling it to a third party. You've got a right to know what they're collecting on you, where they're getting it from, who they're sharing it with, and why they're using it. Just like how California emission standards affect everybody, since no car maker can afford not to sell cars in California, these new privacy regulations are going to affect everybody. They apply to any company over $50 million in revenue that's got data on California consumers, whether they've got a location in California or not. Realistically, this means that every medium to large business in the US is going to be affected. If you want to do business with anyone in California, you're going to have to comply. Consumers are tired of their data being mishandled by big companies that haven't made privacy and security a priority. What's probably going to happen first is that Californians are going to exercise their rights, and companies are going to get hit with a flood of access and right to be forgotten requests. And that means it's going to be somebody's job to go find all this data and make sure it's protected. Security analytics and data protection are the primary ways companies can make sure that they keep data private, knowing what sensitive data they have, making sure it's not exposed, and only accessible by the right people goes a long way to making sure that that data is not breached in the first place.